Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to edit a picture using Lightroom. It doesn't matter whether you're using a software from the computer or you're using a mobile phone. Me, I'll be using a mobile phone, but this is how I edit my pictures. You go to Light and you take contrast up to around 70. 70 is fine, and then you take highlights to -40, and shadows you go to plus around 25, and whites you'll take them down to 70, and the blacks you'll go to plus 20. Now if you look at the previous photo and where we are now, you'll see there's a big difference. So let's continue editing. Now for curves, just follow my step, just follow what I'm doing. And take it there, and I think this is fine for me. Just follow these settings and you'll be fine. Don't need to explain much. And then you go to color, and for color you go to vibrant. You go to plus around, let's see, 30 should be fine, and saturation you'll go to plus 16 or 15, 14, it's all the same. 15 is fine, and then you go to mix color, and then you start with red. You'll just go to saturation. You'll only change saturation and luminance, and saturation will be, I think, let's see, -20. I think 20 is fine, and this luminance, half of it, with that will be 10, -10. And then you go to orange. You take hue down to 10, and saturation also, I think 20. Let's see, 20, 20, 25, 30. I think 30 is fine, and luminance also 10, -10. Now look from where we were to where we are now, and we haven't finished yet. And then you go to yellow, from orange to yellow. Yellow, and then hue you'll take down to 100, and saturation around 30, I guess, or 20. Let's see, 26, 24, 30. Yeah, that is fine for me. Or 27 is fine. Also luminance you'll do the same, 27. and then green, you take also saturation down to -100, and blue also -100, and I mean aqua, blue, green, aqua, green, green, aqua, all you take them to -100 saturation. Aqua, blue, purple also, and pink. Is it pink or what? I don't know. So this is what you'll get now. See, from where we started editing to where we are now, there's a lot. There's a big difference, and that's how I edit my stuff, my pictures. Then you press done, and then you go to effect. And I'm not a professional in this. I just love editing pictures and video, color grading videos. There are other professional people out there. Yeah, I'm just doing my part, and this is how I edit. So effect, you'll go to texture, you'll take it up to 14, 15 is fine, and clarity, take it up to 50, 40, let's see, 50, how is it? 50 is fine for me. Let's see, no, let's do to 45 looks fine. And vignette, no, the haze, you take it up to, let's see, 30, how is it's going to look, 30, okay. And vignette 44 is fine, or 40, let's see, 30, 38, 43, 42, 42, 43. I don't know. And then wait, doesn't look good. Let's try minus, minus the, yeah, I think this is working fine. Minus 40, yeah, but it's too bright. Let's try to come out a little bit and see how it will work. I think up to here is fine. And let's see, feather, minus, 80. Let's see. That's fine for me. Still, this vignette, we need to put it a little down also. For me, I think. You can play with it however you want. It's your choice, but I'm just giving you an idea of how to edit this kind of pictures. I think here for me it's fine. And then you go to split tone. Now split tone, you'll only do the highlights. And highlights, let's see. But this one you need, it's good you practice how to do this. Practice makes perfect. And let's see, or just follow what I'm doing here. I think that is fine for me. 2021 11. That looks fine for me. Yes. And so I've done for split tone. I've done 221 degree by 20. So you just look from here, and you'll be fine. Press done. And then you go to details. You'll just change noise reduction to 15, should be fine. And color noise reduction, let's go to 31. Let's see. No, 31, it's fine. Or 35, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 is fine. And I think that's it for me. But you've seen where we've come from to where we are. This is like urban, yellowish orange photo, and I think it's fine. Now you can save the preset. Just come here, or copy the preset. You just copy, and you go back, you take this photo, and when you add the paste, you see the difference. That's from here to here. If you've enjoyed it, please leave a comment on the section below, and subscribe plus like. It will help me to know that you guys you're interested, so I can make more videos. And thank you. See you next time. Peace.